Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can locate your passwords in Google Chrome. Now, once you've logged into Google Chrome, you actually have the option to save the password for future logins. That's why most times when you actually go onto Chrome, you're automatically logged into whichever application you want to use. Also, when you actually do your signups, it's always there. So if you don't remember your password, what you can actually do is go into your settings. And once you're in settings, just type in password and you will see password manager. Now, when you go into your password manager in this section right here, it would actually show you some of the accounts that you actually have logged into. So if I'm going to use this one here, you would see there's an eye icon that you can actually tap on to see the password. So these are just a few steps you can actually use to locate your password in Google Chrome, and it actually applies for any browser. I hope this video has found you well, and do enjoy the remainder of your day.